start. Hi, my name is Riley, and these are my audience members. And this is my descriptive video. Okay, so today I want to teach you how to set a volleyball. I've played volleyball since like 3rd grade, and I've been setting since freshman year of high school. There's a lot of steps of how to set a volleyball, and it can be really frustrating a lot of times. So basically, to break it down, a setter is pretty much a quarterback. So they can't do anything, a quarterback can't do anything unless they get a decent snap from the center. So a setter can't really do anything unless they get a decent pass from back row or front row, whatever. So basically we're gonna go into, just the basics and the little bitty mechanics of how to set a volleyball. So can I get a volunteer? Yes! Okay, so first off, we're gonna start with hand placement. So basically you're gonna take your hands, and they're gonna be, your index fingers are gonna be 1 inch apart, and your thumbs are gonna be about 1 inch apart. And you're gonna mold your hands to the size of a ball. So, to help, this is like a good image. So put your hands up and hold the bottle. So you see that, everybody? This is your proper placement. You want this little nozzle to be about 1 inch above your head, and so that's how your hands should be. Okay, and so now we'll go to an actual ball. So when you put the ball up, you're gonna do the same thing about 1 inch apart. So put your hands up and hold right there. Your elbows are gonna be kind of in, and that's how your placement should be. So if you keep your arms, if you keep your hands too wide, then there's a good possibility of you lifting the ball or of it like actually slipping through. And then if they're too narrow, you're gonna lift the ball with your palms, and so that's gonna be called a point for the other team. Okay, so to show you what it's not supposed to look like, so if you go like this, you want the ball to be a clean contact between both your hands. You can't have 2 contacts. So if you stand about a couple feet back, you're gonna do like that. Yeah. So basically while you're doing this, the goal is to only keep it in your hands for about half a second or less. And you want soft hands. You do have to keep your hands strong when you push it out, but when it's coming in, you want them to be a little bit softer. So on your follow through, you're actually gonna finish like Superman, and your hands straight out. You don't want them out like this. You want them straight and kind of like it's a plate almost. So there. That's hand placement. So next we're gonna go into your actual footwork. So there's a bunch of different styles of how to actually do your footwork, but the most basic is right, left, right. So this footwork is what's gonna actually help you square up to where you're trying to set to. So say we're trying to set, all the way, we're just setting straight. We're gonna do right, set. So can you toss the ball to me? And I'm gonna do right, set. I caught the ball, but you get the idea. So one more time, we're gonna go right, set. So there's also a couple more basic like footwork ideas you can do where you step off your back leg. So toss this way, and you're gonna set and go off your left. And so these are just stuff that like it gets more and more complex as you move up. So toss a little bit higher, and you can do off one and set, and then you can just do toss one more and just set off one or where you're falling backwards. So basically the most important things are your hand placement and your footwork. If your hand placement and your footwork are consistent, then the ball that you set is going to be consistent. Your main goal to set the ball is going to be a high, clean contact to your outside or to wherever you're setting to. Thank you.